For a laid-back, family-friendly escape in Costa Teguise, BLUESEA Costa Bastian is a great choice. Just a short drive from the beach, this hotel offers a relaxed vibe, spacious rooms, and plenty of facilities to keep everyone entertained. Rooms are comfortable and bright, with air conditioning and balconies or terraces, many overlooking the gardens or pool. The pool area is a standout, featuring a large lagoon-style pool, children's splash area, and plenty of sunbeds for relaxing under the Lanzarote sun. Dining is all-inclusive, with a buffet restaurant offering a good mix of international and local dishes, plus a snack bar for lighter bites and drinks. Entertainment includes games, activities, and evening shows, and kids will love the mini club and playground. For an affordable, sun-filled holiday with a relaxed atmosphere, BLUESEA Costa Bastian ticks all the right boxes.